Yorobol ninyong sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 9 ng mga vocabulary na sinusort out ko from book 1 na minumorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. Papsot, rice cooker. Papisot karagol kutta, to put the spoon in a rice bowl. Papulhada, chitta, to cook rice. Pangguladishi, pangmunulhada, to visit. Pangyang, directions. Pe, ship. Pe, stomach. Pidarada, to deliver. Pidumintunul chita, to play badminton. Piyonghada, to see someone off. Pitcho, Chinese cabbage. Pitarinada, to have an upset stomach. Pikwachum, department store. Pindo, plastic bandage. Pindurul butchida, to put on a band-aid on. Busuzong rujang, bus stop. Busutuminal, bus terminal. Pulgumulnida, to be fine. Pulda, to save. Pomnyol kyoyok, legal training. Pige, pilo. Pitunam, pitnam. Pyol, star. Putong, usually. Pugunso, public health center. Pusam, naparaps with pork. Putong, usually. Puksuphada, to review. Bokchaphada, to be complicated. Pulingulchida, to play bowling. Pulpin, bullpen. Pom, spring. Poin, wife. Chintungche, painkillers. Chimolsada, to pack. Chimolpulda, to unpack. Chip, house. Chipture, housewarming party. Chibanel, household chores. Chibiuda, to come home. Chibulchatta, to look for a house. Chada, to be salty. Champong, champong. Chimchirulhada, to apply ice. Chagamakida, traffic jam. Chango, counter. Changmon, window. Check, box. Chiksang, desk. Chigulikta, to read. Chubanghada, to prescribe. Chunchugyo, Catholic, Catholicism. Chungso, cleaning. Chungsudugo, cleaning tools. Chungsugirul tulida, to vacuum. Chungsurulhada, to clean. Chikukato, debit card. Chudi, invitation. Chudirulbatta, to get invited. Chudihada, to invite. Chupap, sushi. Chocolate, chocolate. Chosok, Korean Thanksgiving. Chokudunghoe, soccer club. Chokuhada, to play soccer. Chokchirul Kuyunghada, to go for a festival. Chulgun Shigan, clock in time.